Sensure and Rademaker, a successful collaboration started 1 year ago. Daniele, can you tell us more?
Yes, you're right. We started this collaboration in April last year, 2025. We communicated to the market at IBA here in Düsseldorf, and it was really an intensive year. We have, first of all, the opportunity to meet each other, to learn more about our technologies. We explain a lot about our vision system with technologies, camera, and so on. And we learn a lot about how to handle products in the dough area. Because as Sensure, we were more focused on bakery product after the oven. And right now we can go also before the oven.
What kind of project have you developed in the last month?
We developed different projects. We already delivery system to the market, mainly in croissant and pastry products. We are developing things in the pizza and tortilla market. And then, of course, we also developed some installation in the robotic unit of Rademaker on then delivered dough with pick and place unit.
What is the add values using the Sensure solution on the Rademaker plants?
With our system, you can measure 100% of the products. So everything like shape, size, color, from the top and from the bottom can be detected by our camera. And combining this data with the process coming from the Rademaker line, customer can really gather a lot of information.
So we are speaking about inspection, no, for more high quality product and safeness.
Yes, correct. With our data and the process data, you can reject the non-compliant products automatically. We can gather also information about foreign bodies, like plastic parts on top of the products. And then, of course, with the data, customer can have live dashboards on the line, having real data available, so people can check really what's happening in the line, just looking to a video.
What we can expect from this collaboration for the future?
This is an interesting point because also here at Interpack, we had a lot of requests coming to automatically full control of the line and automatically adjustment of the parameters of the line. With Rademaker, we are developing a lot of things also in this area.
So we'll follow you very closely for the future. Thank you so much to
Thank
Daniele
you.
Vaglietti and thanks so much to Sensure.
Thank you. Bye.